Hi, I'm Cory and welcome to another Diversey 2-minute drill. This week we're going to cover a timely and seasonal topic, and that is fruit flies and drain flies. These flies are an annoyance to your team, and customers that come into contact with them will have a negative perception of your operation. While they're mostly an annoyance, flies can be a carrier for bacteria and may contaminate surfaces that they land on. Because of this concern, we want to make sure that there's a program in place to deal with them. We associate each of these species with where we see them the most. Typically, we see fruit flies around produce that is left out. They favor decaying produce as a place to lay their eggs. Drain flies will be found breeding and congregating in drain pipes, on decaying food, and in refuse bins. They are attracted to the decaying organic matter and moisture present in these locations. Some key steps to keeping them out of your kitchen are to wash the produce on arrival, store it properly, and use it before it becomes overripe. Produce that is past its prime should be disposed of, and any storage containers that were used should be washed and sanitized. Removing the ready food source and environment for these flies to lay their eggs in is key. The bins that you use for trash and refuse carts should be washed, rinsed, and sanitized regularly to remove the soil and any eggs that have been laid in it. When it comes to drains, follow the same practice of wash, rinse, and sanitize to remove soils and eggs that have been laid there. You typically want a strong alkaline cleaner for this task, like Suma Breakup Chlor, Eliminex, Suma BioFlor Plus, or Diversey Dock and Dumpster treatment. Follow this with a clear water rinse and then spray down the surface with a sanitizer like J512. If you have any questions on this procedure, please reach out to your local Diversey representative or contact our customer support hotline.